Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
Oh.
This truck driver, I guess, just was sick of checking his mirrors. It happened again.
Oh my God. Wake up, dog.
How much time do you save by doing this? This biker seriously doesn't care about his life, or others as a matter of fact.
Wow.
This driver just coasted right by that red light. This driver ran a step sign. Wow.
Wow. Whoa. Jeez. Sheesh.
Good things airbags exist.
Oh my God.
Looks like that driver was scared of that truck merging. So many things are happening in this clip. This driver recorded himself going the wrong way by accident.
Oh, no, it was me.
At least he understood his mistake. Driver turns at a red light while it is raining.
A few moments later.
God damn.
Super close call, wow. Imagine getting hit by a school bus. That is not a passing lane, mate. Slippery when wet in one video. Yeah, the truck pulled out, but do you think this driver was also maybe going a bit too fast? Why do you have to run a red light? Oh look, a shortcut. A Golf that's lost in a roundabout. Are vans the new Tesla drivers? He must have downloaded the wrong update. Attention everyone, I just got a text message. Please kindly wait behind me. This could have been serious. A wild tire on the loose. Just watch until the end to see where it came from.
A few moments later.
People turning out of blind areas clogged by cars is always scary for me. This driver does not know the definition of yield. Impatient Golf driver needs to save 5 seconds. This driver ran a red light. At least halfway, he was nice enough to apologize and back up. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.